Hi, my name is Frank Kitchen. I am a fundraiser, a coach, and a keynote speaker. And one of the top questions that I always receive from people is this: Frank, how do I get better at public speaking? So what I've done is I've put together this video course just for you. It's a self-guided course where I'm going to teach you how to spice up your speaking, because quite simply, I work with organizations and people who want to break through mental barriers to cook up the dreams they hunger for. And public speaking, it's a dream that many people hunger for, but they also fear. So I want to teach you how to be more confident on any stage, in person or virtually. So during this coursework, during this virtual lesson where you're going to be self-guided with your investment, you're going to learn how to be more confident on stage. You're going to learn how to use slides, and you're going to learn how to use your clicker. You're going to learn how to be a virtual presenter. You're going to learn little tips and techniques on how to be more confident on stage, no matter what that stage is. You're also going to learn how to do a sales pitch, how to get ready for a wedding speech or a toast, how to get ready for a job interview, how to just be a better communicator, whether it be in person or virtually. The idea for this program is not to change you, but to pull the best out of you. Because guess what? For me, when I truly embraced public speaking, because I was quiet and shy growing up, when I truly embraced public speaking, it allowed me to live the dreams that I hunger for. So I want you to do the same. I want you to live the dreams you hunger for, and all you got to do is this. Whether you are watching this on the website right now, just click on the link below to invest in the program, or if you're watching this on social media, guess what? There's a link for you also. Just go ahead and click on that link and find out more information about the program, and you're going to be surprised. It's not that big of an investment, but it's going to be an investment that transforms and changes your life. So, once again, my name is Frank Kitchen, and I want to see you at Spice Up Your Public Speaking.